Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Dan here. Hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about KIBA INU, ticker name KIBA, which is a meme token that you guys might have heard about. Uh, Today in this video, I'm gonna be going over a few things to show you that it's very different to the other meme tokens that you might have seen or invested in. KIBA is quite different to DOGECOIN or SHIBA INU because there's a lot of things they're doing differently, and I think you guys might find that interesting. So let's get started. KIBA INU has a total market supply of 2 trillion. 1 trillion of it is on Ethereum, and the second is on the Binance Smart Chain. Looking at the chart here, it's honestly at the perfect position to buy because it's gonna do a run up real quickly. Please do your research after watching the video so you know what I'm talking about. I got the idea of making the video today. I've been putting it on the back burner for a while now because I was getting lazy. So checking the social media stats of all the cryptos today, I'm using my tools like Lunar Crush, for example, I think, which is very important, and you should be considering that in your investments. KIBA INU was the coin of the day on Lunar Crush today, so I thought might as well do it. Now on the Lunar Crush page, you can see that the social volume is going up and up. The major downturn is gone, and I think there's a lot of upside to this. Moving to the chart, similarly, we can see, if you compare it with its performance of previous months, it's making a reversal now, and it's gonna go up and up and up. Now let's move on to the main differentiator of why I think KIBA INU is not just another meme token, and that is the marketing. KIBA INU is doing really great when it comes to their marketing. They're active on all social media platforms, and they even comment on the price action, which is very rare for crypto social medias, as they don't really comment on the price. Now, as you can see in this tweet, it's mentioned that KIBA has been battling the bearish wider market trend since November, and now if you can see the chart, it probably is going to make a bounce back really soon. Moving on to their website. Great website, a strong website, a nicely designed website is very important for meme tokens especially. Now, other than the marketing, another advantage that KIBA INU has is their own swap, which has been launched, and this is currently making them their own swap basically. They have other tools as well, like a honeypot checker, which can help you not lose out on your money due to frauds. And this is the swap itself. Now, how to buy? 1 trillion, as I mentioned, is on the BSC, and the other is on Ethereum, so you can buy using whatever currency you want of these two. It's available on these exchanges. Now, looking at the tokenomics, there's a 2 trillion token supply, 1 trillion on Ethereum and 1 on the Binance Smart Chain, as mentioned before. This is the total market cap currently. This is the marketing tax. I'll let you know where it's being used after this. 1% reflections, which is great, honestly. Now, where does the market go? All the addresses, wallet addresses and everything is quite transparent. You can check the Telegram channel, for all the information. Here's the addresses. You can check the amount of holders here. This is the Ethereum one, and this is around 33,000 holders basically. Now back to the website. This is what I'm talking about. This is the differentiator for KIBA INU. KIBA is sponsoring all these really famous teams. Let's go over this. Like Udinese from the Serie A. If you're into football or FIFA, this is a huge partnership. They're the kit sponsor, and this was in December 2021. Now Alfa Romeo, one of the F1 teams. This is a huge plus. Millions of people watch F1. Now on to European cricket. they have a lot of things covered, and they even have a Hero Indian Super League team, which is getting eyeballs on KIBA INU itself all over the world. Now, I wanted to finish the video off with talking about the market cap. I tend to use this tool a lot, and if you've seen previous videos of mine, you might have seen this as well. I really wanted to compare KIBA and how it market cap or the returns we could expect if it gets to the biggest meme token on the market right now, which is SHIBA INU. Now, if you put in KIBA as itself, it's going to give you an error. And here you change it to 2 trillion, which is the accurate apply, and now you'll get the more accurate numbers. If we compare it with SHIBA, for example, and it gets to SHIBA's market cap, we could see an upside of 457 times. Similarly, going for Dogecoin, that's a 717 times increase. Now let's talk about the future, shall we? Currently, KIBA is in its phase 2. The phase 1 was getting to 25,000 holders, releasing the alpha version of KIBA Swap, getting a new website, listing on Bitmod and Hotbit, achieving major partnerships, and the KIBA bridge, completing the KIBA bridge. Now in phase 2, we have around 34,000 holders. So the target is 40,000 now. The KIBA development team is working on a game. They completed the European cricket partnership, which I mentioned earlier. They're working on further long-term partnerships. They might also get listed on a major exchange, maybe Binance, maybe Coinbase, you never know. They're also working on KIBA Tools beta release, which they released recently. The 3D NFTs are also coming to KIBA. Now for phase 3, which is a long-term thing, they're looking forward to getting 100,000 holders, DAO governors, supporting non-profits worldwide, which is very nice, more exchange listings, and projects being able to be launched from KIBA Launchpad, which is very interesting. So this meme token has a lot of plans, and it's not just another one. So I'm really looking forward to how this performs in the future. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I personally haven't invested yet, but I think I might in a few hours now. So have a look. And the chart is looking really, really good now. Honestly, this might be the perfect time to buy before it breaks off. But please do your own research. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.